Hello friends, this is Sahil Dagan. I present before you the third class of value of supply. In our previous class, we discussed about the various concepts of value of supply. Now, let's have a look at the questions of value of supply. My first question is, Mr. X, a manufacturer, furnishes the following information. Price of machine is rupees 1 lakh. Packing charges amounts to 10,000 rupees, designing charges amounts to 20,000 rupees, transit insurance is 1,000, and carriage discount to customer is 2%, and we have to calculate the value of supply. Now, price of machine is given 1 lakh rupees. We will add all the items which forms the part of value of supply. We have already seen in the inclusions that any taxes, cesses, duties, fees, charges made or agreed to be made, excluding the CGST, SGST, UTGST, and all the taxes which are covered under GST law. So we will add all the items and we will deduct the exclusions. And exclusions, as we've already seen in the previous class, was a discount. So cash discount to customer is the 2% of price of machine, and price of machine is 1 lakh. So 2% of 1 lakh will be deducted, and final answer amounts to 1,29,000. Now moving further to question number 2. Question number 2 is, A Limited provides the following information. List price is 1,25,000, packing expenses amounts to 15,500, tax by municipal authority is 15,000, CGST SGST is 19,200, discount is equal to 4% of the list price. A Limited received rupees 9,500 as subsidy from the NPO in respect of timely supply of goods, and price of 1,25,000 is after subsidy. So we have to calculate the value of supply. So list price of goods is 1,25,000, tax levied is 15,000, packing charges 15,500, subsidy from NPO is 9,500, and subsidy from NPO we have included because it is from any person other than from central government or state government, so it will form part of the value of supply, and discount at the rate of 4% of the list price is deducted, which comes out to value of taxable supply is 1,60,000. So now we will look at rule number 27. Question is, Mr. A supplied goods to Mr. B for consideration of 5 lakh rupees excluding taxes. Mr. B also gave some material to Mr. A also gave some material to Mr. B as consideration for such supply, and the value is 20,000 excluding taxes. Mr. A has supplied the same goods to another person for 5,71,200 including GST at 12%. Determine the value of supply. So the value of supply will be value of supply. So in this case, as the open market value is available, so it will be treated as 5,71,200. But however, as this value is including of taxes, so we will write that 5,71,200 minus 5,71,200 का 12/112. So it will be 5,71,200 minus 61,200. So the value will be 5,10,000. तो ये था आपका पहला आंसर कि अगर मान लीजिए कि मिस्टर ए हैज़ सप्लाइड द सेम टू अनदर पर्सन, सो एज इट्स क्लियर दैट द वैल्यू ऑफ सप्लाई इज़ गिवन, और जो पांचों इंक्लूजन्स हैं वो हमें क्वेश्चन में नहीं दिए, सो वी आर स्विचिंग ओवर टू द रूल्स. तो पहला आ जाएगा आपका 5,10,000 आंसर. और दूसरा चीज़ ये आती है कि मान लीजिए आप जैसे यहाँ दे रखा है, मिस्टर ए हैज़ ऑल्सो गिव सम मटेरियल टू मिस्टर बी एज अ कंसिडरेशन फॉर सच सप्लाई एंड वैल्यू इज़ 20,000. सो यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं कि जो कंसिडरेशन हमें जो भी मिला है एज़ पर द पॉइंट नंबर 2, तो वो आपका 5 लाख और 20,000 हो जाएगा. तो 5 लाख तो वैसे, और मटेरियल भी मिला है आपको काइंड में जिसकी वैल्यू दे रखी है 20,000. तो टोटल आंसर हो जाएगा 5 लाख तो वैसे कंसिडरेशन और 20,000 आपका मटेरियल, तो 5,20,000. नाउ अगर हम ये मान लें कि जो जैसे तीसरा पॉइंट है कि अगर मान लीजिए कि ये लाइक काइंड एंड क्वालिटी का केस है और उसकी वैल्यू अगर फॉर एग्जांपल 5,25,000 में होता है एक्सक्लूडिंग टैक्सेस, तो जो भी लाइक काइंड एंड क्वालिटी की वैल्यू होगी दैट विल बिकम द पार्ट ऑफ वैल्यू ऑफ सप्लाई, और दैट विल बी ट्रीटेड एज अ वैल्यू ऑफ सप्लाई. नाउ वी विल लुक एट questions on rules. Rule 28 read with Rule 30. Question is, A Limited manufactures the product A at its unit in MP, which is Madhya Pradesh, and supplies it to its another establishment located in Rajasthan. The contracted sale price is 9 lakh. The cost of production is 10 lakh. A Limited is the sole manufacturer of this product. Determine the taxable value of supply and calculate the CGST SGST payable at the rate of 5%, which is total, And point number 2 is if establishment is in Jaipur, avails full ITC, then calculate the value of supply. So in this case, as we cannot apply the rule number 27, which is open market value, there is no like, kind and quality, there is no consideration, so we have to apply rule 30 or 31 in that order. So cost of production का ले लेंगे 110%, which comes out to 11 lakh, and CGST and SGST amounts to 11 lakh का 5%, which is 55,000. Now point number 2 is if establishment in Jaipur avails full ITC, then we have to calculate the value of supply. So the answer will be in this case will be the contracted sale price, which is 9 lakh, और उसका GST ले लेंगे हम at the rate of 5%, which comes out to. So now value of supply is 9 lakh and GST comes out to GST at the rate of 5%, 40,000. Rule 29 states open market value or 90% of like, kind and quality goods supplied by recipient to unrelated buyer. And rule 31 states out to best estimate assessment. अगर आपको मेरे वीडियोस अच्छे लगते हैं तो लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, अपना और अपने पेरेंट्स का ख्याल रखिए. थैंक यू, लव यू गाइस.